Okay, in this video, we're going to show you how to print in Python without a new line or space. And normal printing always comes with a new line. I'd never really thought about this until I saw this Stack Overflow question, but print has an end parameter, and it's pretty cool, and I'm going to start using it because there's a lot of times you just kind of want to print progress out. You don't want to necessarily print a whole new line. And so here I set up, I import sleep, and I'm going to do 10 in a row. I'm going to go for underscore and range 10. And I'm just going to print a period with an end equal to the empty string, so nothing coming after it. And at the end, I'm going to print /n, which gives me a new line since I didn't get one on the dots, and done. And when I run it, sure enough, it goes ... and then done. So very simple. If you wanted a space, you could put a space. You could put anything you want in that end thing. You could put 3 new lines if that's what you wanted. So end equal is your friend here. Hope you learned something. Subscribe to the channel if you hadn't yet. Smash that like button so I can help more people, and I'll see you in the next video.